Hey there, everybody. Marybeth Angelelli here. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you and providing you with information on how to make money mailing flyers from home in 2020, okay? And this even includes postcards. Okay, for those of you who have been following me for any length of time, know that I've been very active for several years now in direct mail order marketing, okay? Absolutely love it. It's something that I'm very passionate about. I've been doing it on a full-time basis for well over 6 years now, very successfully. And in that duration, I've been able to really carve myself out a very nice little niche for myself in the direct mail order space. And just through consistency and persistence, I've been able to, experience a lot of success in direct mail order marketing and help a lot of people along the way. So without further ado, I'm going to show you some more results. This absolutely is real and it works. If you work this, folks, it absolutely can and will work for you. And it's very simple. It really is. It's something that doesn't require any special skills. You don't want to overthink, overcomplicate, or overanalyze. If you can advertise or mail a simple flyer or a postcard, you can absolutely do this. So I'm going to go into this now and talk to you again about how to make money from home in 2020 mailing flyers, okay? Got one of these in the mail once again, and this is the way you want to send these. You want to send them USPS priority mail with tracking, okay? So this came in, and let's see here, just want to cover up for privacy purposes the individual. Just try to get in here if at all possible, but there you go, folks. There is my information. And here is the package. So I'll just start off with showing you, just a little bit more continued results because a lot of people like to know, is this working? Is this still working, Marybeth? And absolutely it is. I mean, I've never quit working my direct mail program. So as a direct result, I continue to get results with my direct mail programs. Okay, so let's see here. We want to go ahead and open this up live in the moment on this video. So there you go, and let me show you what is inside, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to come to my website, okay? Partnerwithmarybeth.com. It's in the description. The link is always in my description along with my contact information, and by far the best way to reach me is my cell. Either text or call me, okay? That way you'll be sure and reach me. I'll be sure and get your information, your message, and then we can connect up and I'll be happy to assist you personally. 330-787-1795, okay? Partnerwithmarybeth.com. Just simply enter your email address. Be sure it's a valid email address. That way you'll be able to come inside. You'll get my follow-ups. You'll get all the pertinent information that you are seeking so that you can determine whether this is a fit for you. And I do hope it is, because if you are serious about earning money from home, this is something I want to show you how you can go on and receive these wonderful unlimited payments as well, okay? Here is what you want to do. You'll pick the level of participation that is best for you. Just get in where you fit in. You can always move up. This is very scalable. It's very simple. It's very duplicatable. And it works. Okay, we've got the emerald, we have the ruby, we have the sapphire, we have the diamond, and we have the double diamond. Sweet spot has always been, I would tend to say it still is, the sapphire. This is where Remus, I want to welcome you to the team. Thank you very much. Confirm that I received this, has decided to join at this level of participation, the sapphire. Okay, as you can clearly see, that is just wonderful value. It's a great place to start, but all levels are good places to get started. The main thing is just get started, okay? So you want to go ahead and read through this carefully, top left to bottom right. Everything is simply stated in black and white. All the directions are right here for you to follow. Okay, very simple. Fill out the bottom with your information. Make sure that you write legibly. It's important, especially also to include a real valid legible email address so that the company, when they receive this, can communicate with you as well. So your full name, your mailing address, and your email address. That's all you need, okay? And you follow the instructions. Now, what I love about this program, folks, it gives you everything you need to become a success direct mail order marketer, okay? You'll be receiving payments and stamps. As you might well know or guess, stamps are the largest expenditure with any direct mail order program, whether it's a flyer-based program or a postcard-based program. This, however, will help you greatly to significantly defray the cost of your postage stamps. Once you get this going, once you continue to receive payments, you also receive stamps in the mail. Over time, you're going to collect a lot of stamps. Eventually, you need to obviously stick with this. The results are going to come. The success will come your way too. And along that will also come the stamps. You'll collect them. You'll utilize them for your direct mail campaigns, whether it be flyers or postcards. With this, you can do both. I do both, okay? You pick either or if you have a preference, or you can eventually layer on, scale up, and combine the best of both worlds, okay? For maximum reach and profitability. All right, and I'm here to help you folks. I've been doing this a long, long time. I know exactly what works, and it's very, very simple. So we have this, and then of course we obviously are going to, I'm sure, have our payment with our stamps and size. So I'm going to go ahead and rip this right open, and voila, just as I had fully anticipated, we have 2 books of stamps right here. So this is 20 plus 20, 40 stamps. Thank you very much. And the sapphire is $300. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you once again very much. So $300 payment, 2 books of stamps, and a new sapphire team member. Okay. So this is a funnel that I use, folks. I use it in my online marketing efforts, my offline marketing efforts, and it has served me very, very well for the last year plus. Okay, I've been working this particular opportunity when it first launched a little over 1 year ago. Okay, I absolutely love it, highly recommend it, and people are loving it too. The company overall is experiencing tremendous success and growth. And, you know, again, we have another new team member who seen the value and the potential and took action and sent off his information and payments. Okay, so thank you very much. And that's the main thing, folks. You know, you don't want to just sit on the sidelines and continue to watch me continue to share with you, you know, the continued results from this program. Okay, so once again, you know, obviously you're here and you're definitely in the right place at the right time. So hopefully you are serious because this works, folks. And just imagine, you know, if you only had only 1 of these a week coming in, that would be an extra $1,200 a month. And that's only with 1 person, okay, at the Sapphire level, which is a very, very popular level. That's 300, simple math, times 4, 1,200 extra dollars in your pocket, in your bank account in any given month. You know, for most people, that's their mortgage payment. That can be their grocery money. That can be their utilities. That can be their car notes. That can be, you know, just extra spending money to go out and, you know, live life, live a better life, and enjoy some of the finer things in life. However, you know, you wish to spend this, folks. I mean, once you get started, you work the program and the results will come, okay? Stickability, consistency, my personal 2 highly recommended key ingredients to longevity and long-term success with any home-based business, including any direct mail order marketing business. So you're just going to come inside, you're going to review the information. Now, what I want to show you is you can get one of these funnels, folks. Okay, it's only $99 one time. It's well worth the one-time investment. It takes money to make money. Okay, I'm not going to hide that, but it's well worth it. In the end, the results are well worth it. Okay, so you come over here to convertfunnels.net. This wonderful lady, Karen, I mean, she will fix you up. You can come down here, review everything, make your payment. Now, over here, if I can get in here, I don't know if I can or not, but anyways, once you come to convertfunnels.net, check out my wonderful cover letters, okay? Postcards, I mean, she can create any creative marketing materials that you need, and they work very, very, very well, okay? Matter of fact, here's the one cover letter right here for this particular opportunity. And, you know, she puts your picture here. This is the way it works well. It's best recommended for setup. And then some of the key benefits, some proof. Once you get your proof in here, folks, and you are well on your way. I highly recommend you get something personalized for maximum potential and best conversions, okay? Best business practices. This will serve you very, very well, okay? And include a personalized cover letter with every direct mail piece that you send, every flyer. And this is how you can have success and how you can make money mailing flyers from home in, excuse me, folks, it's been a long day. My voice is starting to give out a little bit, but it's all good. Okay, how to make money mailing flyers from home in 2020. Highly recommended that you include one of these with the flyer, okay? And the company will provide you with these, okay? I can assist you with where to go for the best copies. Once you partner up with me, folks, you'll have access to me, to my support, and all of my trainings, all of my resources, you know, direct mail marketing, lead resources, everything you need, okay? Marketing resources, lead resources, print and mail resources, the whole gamut, all right? So that's the cover letter. This is the place to go, okay? This is a fantastic additional lead resource, Wilson Lists, okay? WilsonLists.com, and you want to seek out list 374B. Okay, just sharing with you what works, what has worked the best for me. WilsonLists.com/374B. This is a wonderful, wonderful direct mail resource that will help you to be successful with your mailings, okay? And going in here and increasing your response rates by a very high percentage. It's just all about consistency, folks. Here's what some of the customers have said, testimonials. Go to the website, check it out. Great value, great results, and great conversions, okay? So that is it. Again, a funnel is highly recommended. You can work this program online and or offline. I've just elected to combine the best of both worlds, okay? You have two preferences. There's people that just do this from their kitchen table, just mailing out flyers and or postcards from the comfort of their home. If that's something you want to do, folks, you can absolutely do that. You don't even have to flip the switch and turn on a computer if you elect not to, okay? But I just love connecting with people and just, you know, taking a wonderful opportunity like this and sharing it with the masses. Now, a cover letter is only a one-time $49, and it is well worth that investment, folks. Again, just in the back of your mind, just remember one thing. It takes money to make money, but these two single one-time investments of a funnel for $99 and a cover letter for $49 will take you very, very far. Okay, you just got to work the program. It will work for you. You know how to reach me. I shared with you more continued proof, folks, that if you put in the time and the effort, folks, you can absolutely do this, and you can be going out to your mailbox 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, opening it up to these wonderful red, white, and blue packages with these wonderful sapphire enrollments. Okay, $300 a pop, not too shabby whatsoever by just simply working this program, in your spare time from the comfort of your kitchen table, mailing simple flyers or postcards. I shared with you how to get it done, folks, how to make money mailing flyers from home in 2020. This is July 2020, folks, and we are just going to enter into the busy phase. Next month, August, game over. Get with me. Let me help you to get started. There's never been a better time, folks. Thank you so much. I will see you soon on another video, and I'll be back at you to help you out so that you can get exactly what you need. Okay? Thank you so much, and have yourself a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Stay inspired, stay blessed, be safe, and I'll be back at you soon enough. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.